Welcome to the enchanting Hunza Valley, where history, culture, and nature come together in perfect harmony. Today, we're exploring one of the oldest and most iconic landmarks in this region, the majestic Altit Fort. Built over 1,000 years ago, this fort is a testament to the rich heritage and architectural brilliance of the Hunza people. Join me as we step back in time and uncover the secrets of this ancient fortress. Over the centuries, Altit Fort has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the spread of Buddhism and Islam, and the evolution of the Hunza kingdom. In 2007, the fort was restored by the Aga Khan Trust for Culture, preserving its historical significance for future generations. Inside, you'll find narrow staircases, dark passageways, and rooms that once served as living quarters, storage areas, and even a prison. The fort's design reflects the ingenuity of its builders, who created a structure that could withstand harsh weather and enemy attacks. The nearby village of Altit is home to skilled artisans who continue to practice traditional crafts like woodworking and embroidery. Visiting the fort gives you a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of the Hunza Valley. Like any ancient structure, Altit Fort has its share of legends. One popular story tells of a princess who was imprisoned in the fort's tower for falling in love with a commoner. Another tale speaks of hidden treasures buried beneath the fort. Whether these stories are true or not, they add an air of mystery to this already fascinating place. One of the highlights of visiting Altit Fort is the breathtaking view it offers. From the top of the fort, you can see the entire Hunza Valley with its terraced fields, orchards, and the glistening Hunza River. On a clear day, you can even spot the majestic Rakaposhi Peak in the distance. Altit Fort is more than just a historical site. It's a journey through time, a celebration of culture, and a reminder of the enduring spirit of the Hunza people. If you ever find yourself in the Hunza Valley, make sure to add this incredible fort to your itinerary. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel stories. Until next time, keep exploring.